If you want to hide photos or videos on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then you can open Gallery on your phone, and then over here, let's say I'm gonna open this picture here. Now, if I want to hide it, I can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then over here I have the option to move to private album. So this is what I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna choose to move to private album, and then we can confirm that we want to move. And there we go. After a couple of seconds, it should be hidden now. Besides that, you can of course press and hold your finger to select any photo or video that you have here in the gallery, and once it is selected, you can select more files that you want to hide. Once you select everything that you want to hide, you can tap on more at the bottom over here, and then you should also be able to find Move to Private Album. And there we go. Now, in order to find all of those hidden photos and videos, you should be able to switch to Albums over here, and here we should be able to find our sorry, actually not albums, we need to go to menu. That's my bad. So here in menu we have the private album. Here we need to use the fingerprint sensor, or actually we might need to tap on that lock first to be able to use the fingerprint sensor, or screen lock password in order to continue. And there we go. Here we have our private album with all hidden stuff. Leave a like and subscribe.